Hey, it's your man Bonta83 for Successful Convicts, and you're in tune for a quick edition of the Cooking with Bonta83. I'm finna show you something real simple. I know you know, but how to crack eggs with one hand. Right back after this message. Hey, it's your man Bonta83 for Successful Convicts. And like I said, you're in tune for another episode of Cooking with Bonta83. But this is going to be real simple. I'm just want to show you how to crack eggs with one hand. Now, I know y'all figuring like, why he got this mask on? I'm just showing off a little merch. You know, we got the hats. We got the neck guards. You know, and these things right here, these could be used at night for your hair. You know what I'm saying? You can use them all kind of ways. But, you know, the Marion or Maricon or whatever it's called is going around. So I had to put that on. I got a little bit of the Flurona or whatever you want to call it. But that's why I had this on. Just showing off the merch. And you can order it by DMing me or send me a message at successfulconvicts@gmail.com. Let me know your size and all that type of stuff. And we can get your order to you. Now, okay, so we have eggs. So you take the egg, you want to put it in your hand, and you want to, like, 3 fingers, using your 3 fingers, you know, and you basically caressing the egg, so, you know what I'm saying, so you can't drop it. And you want to crack it along the bowl in the center. You want to crack it in the center. Then you taking it and you pulling it apart. Voila. All right. Now that seems simple enough, right? So now I'm going to show you how to do 2 eggs. 2 eggs at the same time. All right. Now you want to do the same thing. Caress that one egg, and with your other 2 fingers and the fatty palm of your hand, you want to hold that egg right there. So basically what you're doing is you got the egg. See how I got the egg? It can't fall. So now you crack the first one, bam. Let it go just like we did the first one. And then you come with the second one and roll it. You see how I rolled it? You roll it into the same position that you had the first one. Just like that. So there you have it. Cooking with Bonta83. I just showed you how to crack eggs with one hand. And if you really want to get crafty, you can do 2 eggs in one hand. And for those higher level experienced players out there, you can put 2 eggs in each hand and crack 4. Work on it. Let me know. Send me videos or whatever. And like I said, anything I got on is always for sale. Hit me up in the DM, or you can always hit me up at successfulconvicts@gmail.com and let me know what you're trying to get, and I got you. And don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment. And I know you already did it, but if you haven't for some strange reason, subscribe to the channel.